All right, here's a great question. Solve the logarithmic equation. There's 3 lns in it. So what I want to do is I want to shrink those two, collapse those. Since that's a minus, it'll be the quotient law. So I'll have ln of 5x minus 2 is equal to the ln of the quotient of 6 over x minus 3. Okay, quotient rule. Probably 2 out of 5 already on that question. Now, since I'm ln'ing both sides, I can drop the lns. I don't divide by ln. It's just the property of logarithmic equality says that if I'm ln'ing one thing and ln'ing another thing, whatever those things are have to be equal to each other. So I can simply write 5x minus 2 equals 6 over x minus 3. Again, feel free to pause anytime and see if you can finish it, then come back and see if I'm right or you're right. Okay, now I hate fraction principles, so I'll multiply both sides by the lowest common denominator. So these cancel. So I'm left on the left with x minus 3 times 5x minus 2 is equal to 6. Let's FOIL that out. So 5x squared minus 2x minus 15x plus 6 is equal to 6. It's a quadratic, so let's bring everything over to one side and make it equal to 0. Oh, so those cancel. So I have 5x squared minus 17x is equal to 0. Okay, I can take out a common factor. So 5x minus 17. Now I have a product that equals 0. So either x is 0 or 5x minus 17 is equal to 0. Add 17 to both sides, divide both sides by 5. So I get this and this. I'm feeling fairly good. I do need to go back and check just to make sure that neither this answer nor this one give me a negative sign under the logarithm. So if I take and put a 0 in here, 5 times 0 is 0 minus 2. That gives me the ln of a negative 2. If you try that on the calculator, it doesn't work. Same thing if I put a 0 in there. 0 taken away 3 is negative 3. The ln of negative 3 is undefined, and so I can't do that. So 0's out. 17 over 5, I think that would work there. 17 over 5 is 3 point something, so I think plugging in here would be okay too. So I would say my only answer is 17 over 5. I'd be going with that one. Oh, they did put both of them in there. Oh, that's a little nasty. And and on a test, if you came down and said my answers were x is 0 and x is 17 over 5, I'd give you 4 out of 5 on that just because you didn't check that one. Hopefully that helps.